Hi, Amy Pittman here at Pittman Law Office. I wanted to show you the great resources we have on our website, the pittmanlawoffice.com. If you go to the Client Education Center, which is tapped up here, you can find all kinds of information on documents. And then what we're going to talk about today is duties of administration of a trust. So this is just a really short summary of what it looks like to be a successor trustee of a revocable trust. The first thing that your successor trustee needs to do is contact the attorney. Then the attorney and the successor trustee will review the estate planning documents. And then we also have to make a filing of the original will with the probate court, record the death certificate in the county where the decedent lived and or owned real property. So if that's multiple properties in different counties, they're going to have to record the death certificate in every county. Also, the attorney will obtain a tax ID number because once the owner of the trust dies, the trust becomes irrevocable. And then we file a notice of trust with the probate court. So they are going to have to hire an attorney initially to get some things done. They don't have to hire us to do all the administration. We try to provide them with the tools for them to be able to do. So they're going to accept this role. Just because you name a trustee does not mean they have to do it. So they have an acceptance they sign, and then they are allowed to handle all the assets that are in the name of the trust and then cover those expenses. So you want to make sure that your successor trustee knows where your assets are, what banks they're located at, financial institutions. So have a list, where all your assets are, how are they owned, if the trust is the owner versus the beneficiary, and then of course all of the expenses that you have that we need to pay, because the first duty of your successor trustee is to marshal in the assets, pay the bills, and then disperse the assets to the beneficiary. So this is just a really easy thing that you can review yourself as the owner of the trust. Also reviewing it with your successor trustee. And again, that's on our website, the pittmanlawoffice.com. Hope that helps.